Thanks.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Fun challenge here today. I actually been wanting to do this one for a long time. It's the Big Bad Wolf Challenge at Crave Real Burgers in Denver, Colorado. I actually did this one prior to the cheesesteak challenge that I posted last week. That was at the end of my trip. This one was kind of right as the day I flew into town, and wanted to get a challenge win in the state of Colorado right under my belt. So this is actually the first official win I have in that state. But I ended up doing 3 challenges while I was there. These 2 that you've seen, and then another burger challenge in the middle that I didn't film, but it was pretty small and pretty easy anyway. But like I said, I've been wanting to do this one for a while, ever since I saw it. One, it looks absolutely delicious, and it was. I mean, we've got bacon, pulled pork on burger. There's 3 of these. These burgers are a regular menu item, but obviously the challenge is to eat 3 of them. It's their 3 Little Pigs burger. So obviously if you take down 3 of their 3 little pigs, I guess that makes you the Big Bad Wolf. So, and that was the other reason I wanted to do this challenge. I kind of, I like the wolf theme. I was hoping that their shirt that you get for winning would be challenge specific and have some sort of wolf design on it. I thought that would be pretty fun, but unfortunately it didn't. It was just a regular shirt. But still, that didn't really take away from the fact that the challenge was really good. The other big news, some of you that might be following me or know me might have heard last week I won the Cincinnati Nathan's Hot Dog Qualifier. Fortunately, I don't have any footage. Didn't really want to try and bother filming it because I wanted to focus on doing my best. But I'm pretty excited about that. So I'll be going to Coney Island on the 4th and getting to meet a lot of those guys, and I'm pretty just excited to, even be there. I'm going to try and do and prepare as best I can. But for me, it's really just trying to have fun with this. And, it's crazy how far this, silly little hobby has gotten me. A lot of traveling, obviously a lot of free food, and just, overall entertainment. So I think that's, enough. The other thing, I guess, would be if you're watching this kind of right when I post it, this coming weekend, I'll actually be doing another Major League Eating competition, which is the pepperoni roll contest in West Virginia. I think that'll be a pretty good time. I'm not sure who's going to be there. I'm sure Jeff Esper's going to be defending his title, and I think I talked to Darren Eats, and he's going to be there too. So it should be overall a good time, chance to meet those guys. I also want to congratulate everybody that took part in the Highway 55 burger contest over that same weekend. Obviously, I was busy eating hot dogs, but it looked like a great time. I've seen a lot of the videos, and just amazed at how well everybody did. So congratulations there. Otherwise, I guess just, if you guys first time clicking on a video, and if you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.
You got lots of time.
Oh yeah, good.
Good stuff.
I think that guy just realized he's buying me lunch. Thing here. It's easy, man. Get one.
Seriously, like he's one bite, two bite, and a bunch, and he's done. And you have to do the 45 minutes. That's crazy. What are you guys gonna eat?
Oh, there.
That candy bacon and that. Yes, that's it. You can do it. You can do it.
Alright. Just over 20 minutes left. Oh, fuck. Alright, there's that. Huh? Oh, I do have the time on there, don't I?
Yeah, it's 1954. But he's clearly done. He's got to keep that up there. I just got to stop my drink. Almost there.
Well, do you know what the record is?
Say it again. What's the record?
Yeah.
I'll figure it out. Just a second. Hey, Logan. Oh, no. You know what the record is? I do not. Nice.
How could you ever doubt that?
Just make
You
me
like
nervous.
me? I make me nervous. Did you want a milkshake? Maybe we'll go to the donut shop. Feel pretty good. Got a little, probably a couple air bubbles, but other than that. Who's afraid of the big guy here? Yeah.